the nations rage in pride, and the peoples conspire together in vain. The kings of the earth take their stand, and its leaders are seated in council, united against Yahweh and against his Messiah, in order to tear off their restraints and cast away their entwined strings. He that sits in the sky shall laugh, the Master shall laugh them to scorn. Then he will speak to them in his anger and terrify them in his fury. Now I have set my king upon Zion, my set-apart mountain.
I will declare the appointing.
Yahweh has said to me,
You are my son.
this day I have borne you. Ask and I will surely give you the nations as your inheritance, even the ends of the earth for your possession. You shall break them with a rod of iron, like a pottery vessel. You will shatter them in pieces. From now on, O you kings, be understanding, be instructed. O you judges of the earth, serve Yahweh with reverent fear and be joyful, yet trembling. Kiss the Son, lest he be upset and you be lost off the pathway, for his anger will be burning for a little while. Happy are all who take refuge in him.
Happy are